In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership community in Gumroad. We'll walk through creating your membership product, setting up tiers, and adding content so the right people get the right perks. First, create your membership product. From your Gumroad dashboard, open the Products area and select New Product. When Gumroad asks what type of product you're making, choose Membership, not Digital Product. A digital product is a one-time purchase, while a membership lets people subscribe and get ongoing access. Give your membership a clear name and a concise description. Explain who it's for, what members receive, and how often they'll get new content or benefits. Fill in the remaining details just like you would for any other product, so visitors can quickly understand the value. Remember, this is what customers see on your checkout page and product preview, so keep it scannable and benefit-focused. Clear expectations reduce refunds and increase sign-ups. Next, set up your membership tiers. In the Membership Editor, head to the Tiers section and click Add Tier. Create as many tiers as you need, and give each a distinct name, a short description of what's included, and a price. Choose your payment frequency, monthly, yearly, or both, based on how you plan to deliver value. If you want to manage capacity or add a sense of exclusivity, you can limit the maximum number of active supporters for a tier. In the tier's settings, choose a default payment frequency to match what most members are likely to pick. Keep in mind that all tiers must support the same frequency options, so decide on those up front to avoid confusion. Make differences between tiers obvious, such as content depth or level of access, so buyers can self-select quickly. If you offer both monthly and yearly, align pricing so the yearly option provides a clear, easy-to-understand savings. Now add your content. Open the Content tab for your membership product. Upload your materials, PDFs, videos, and other files, and assign each item to the tiers that should have access. This lets you create premium content that's available only to specific members. Organize your uploads with clear titles and descriptions so members can find what they need quickly. For larger video files, compress or split resources to keep downloads smooth and viewing frustration-free. If your membership is designed to run for a set period, like a 6-month program, you can configure a fixed-length membership so access ends automatically at the right time. That's the core setup: a membership product, well-defined tiers, and content mapped to the right levels. Before you move on, double-check tier assignments for each file to prevent accidental oversharing. Take a moment to review your descriptions and pricing for clarity, and make sure every tier supports the payment frequencies you chose. With that in place, you're ready to start welcoming members into your Gumroad community.